everyone, it's me Francis Momin again. I'm here to confirm to you that this application premise is authentic application and is ideal for Papua New Guineans and throughout the world. Uh, you only need to do surveys, answer questions, and take photos and update what is required, and you will receive credits into your e-wallet, and from your e-wallet you can be able to cash out to your uh, whatever the telecommunication number you have or line you have to your mobile phone credits. So I made about 40 kina now, and I will show you how much I made from this application. I've made up to 18 kina, and this morning I removed about 15 or 16 kina, about 16 kina from my credits that I got from this application. So I will show you the evidence from my messages received from this application. So you can see 888 there, the messages just coming in. So this morning I topped up 10 kina. That's the highest amount I've been given by this application, 10 kina, and then another 2 kina and 2 kina. So my total balance now I have is 46 kina, 36 toya. You can see the previous top up, 2 kina, 2 kina, 2 kina, 2 kina, 2 kina, 2 kina. So before this, I used this phone. I was using another phone, topping up, and I continue to use the same application to this phone, and these are the amounts I received from this application. So now I have 46 kina, 36 toya. So going forward, I will be using credits generated from this application to purchase my data bundles and continue to use data and continue to use this application to make more credits. And so this is the application that I've been telling you for a long time now. I don't know how many of you have come across to my video and are serious using this application, but for those who were serious and I talked to, they really enjoy the application, and I'm still promoting this application to people to use this application. And now I have 3 kina 47 toya there, and you can see the cash outs that I have, 2 kina, 2 kina, 2 kina. And so that's my wallet, and these are the tasks. All you need to do is take photos of whatever it is required there, or go and answer survey questions, the topics that are provided there, and you earn 11 toya per survey. Some are 18 toya. So go and check this application on Google. As I mentioned, it's called Premise. It's available on Google. You can also watch my videos, and you'll find the link there. So if I go to Google, I type Premise, and you see the application is there. So I'll go update. So thank you for watching my video. Make sure you go and download the application, enjoy the blessings from this application, and don't forget to subscribe and to click the notification button to get more valuable information from me. Thank you. See you in my next video. God bless.